Hey guys, what's up? It's Roel. Saving money can seem impossible with all the ads and deals out there. But it doesn't have to be a constant uphill battle. In this video, I'm sharing 10 practical, proven and simple tips to help you save money fast. These tips are perfect for beginners, so hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and let's dive right in. The first step to saving more is knowing where your money is going. Use a budgeting app, a simple spreadsheet, or even just a notebook. Write down every single expense to see where you can cut back. Having a clear savings goal is like having a destination on a map. Want to buy a house, travel the world, retire early? Write it down and get specific. Instead of saying, I want to save more money, set a tangible goal like, I want to save $10,000 for a down payment in the next 2 years. Break it down even further, that's just $416 a month. Automating your savings is the ultimate hack for building wealth. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account each month. Even if it's just $50 or $100 per paycheck, the power of consistency and compound interest will blow your mind. Take a hard look at your recurring subscriptions and be ruthless. Cancel the ones you don't use regularly and redirect that money towards your savings goals. Eating out is convenient, but it can destroy your budget. Plan your meals, make a grocery list, and stick to it. Cooking at home is cheaper and usually healthier too. When you use a credit or debit card, it's easy to overspend. Try the cash envelope system. Withdraw a specific amount of cash for categories like groceries, entertainment, or eating out. Once the cash is gone, that's it. Don't just buy something because it's on sale. Make a list of what you actually need and stick to it. Look for discounts and sales, but only on the items you were already planning to buy. Take a look around your house. Chances are, you have a ton of stuff you don't use anymore. Selling these items online or having a garage sale can bring in some extra cash. It's a win-win. You declutter your space and pad your savings account at the same time. Did you get a bonus at work? A tax refund? Put it straight into savings instead of spending it. Challenge yourself to a no-spend week or even a no-spend month. Commit to only spending money on essentials like groceries, bills, and transportation. It's a fun way to reset your spending habits and save a good chunk of change. There you have it, guys. 10 simple yet powerful tips to help you save money fast. Start small, stay consistent, and don't get discouraged if you slip up. The important thing is to get back on track and keep moving forward. Start implementing these tips today, and watch your savings soar. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your favorite money-saving tip in the comments below.